Good morning, everybody. Coach Barry here on this beautiful and crisp fall Sunday morning, here to talk about our week. First things first, Fall Brawl. We only have 3 spots available for athletes. All right, so if you are thinking about it, make sure you sign up as quick as you can. The 3 spots will fill up. All right, it's a wonderful, fun day. Coaches versus clients on November 15th, all levels. So make sure you sign up. Again, only 3 spots remain. All right, let's talk about our week. We start cycle 2 of 5-3-1. What that means is this: we're going to add 10 pounds onto our back squat and deadlift, and 5 pounds onto our bench press and our shoulder press. For example, my back squat is a stellar 250 pounds. So I'm going to add 10 pounds onto that 250, so it'll be 260, and all the numbers on the app take care of itself. So everything should be a little bit heavier this time, which is how we get stronger. All right, and do that for all 4 of those lifts. So again, 10 pounds for the lower body, 5 pounds for the upper body. All right, kicking us off, Monday back squat 5s, and then our triplet WOD. All gymnastics, adding in those step ups like I've been doing in preparation for Chad. That in-house event. More news on that in the coming weeks. We're looking at about 6 to 8 rounds of that triplet. And then all the accessory work for all the lifts are going to be different. So for the back squat, we're going to do rower pikes, and we'll go over what those look like, obviously, in class. And then sled push. It's the last week of that cycle 1. So every 2 minutes for 10 sets. We should be seeing some acclimation with this, and it should be getting a little bit easier if you've been consistent. All right, and then we're going to do seated sled pulls with straps afterwards. Jocelyn loves to do these with her clients, PT clients. So you sit down, put a strap on the end of the sled, and you literally sit and pull the sled with a strap for 20 yards. So that'll be fun to do. All right, Wednesday bench press, and then a wonderful blistering high octane WOD interval work, minute on, 30-second rest of those 3 movements. We'll just get in a group and rotate through. And then the accessory work is some classic bodybuilding of hammer curls and skull crushers, and we'll show you what those are. Thursday, I love this one. There's beauty and simplicity. 5 rounds of the run and the rope climb. We're looking at about 15 to 20 minutes, and we will scale the rope climb to whatever you need to get the stimulus that needs to be met. Friday, deadlift 5s, and then a wonderful partner WOD sprint back and forth, row or ski, 10-7, and then burpees over the barbell laterally. We're looking at sub 130 per round. All right, so it should be fast and furious back and forth. And then the accessory work is 50 banded dead bugs. That is an awesome exercise for your core and your lower back, and that's why I added that in there, especially a reset after the deadlifts. All right, what a week. Nice tasty menu of fitness. All right, hopefully the Phillies can bounce back. That was painful to watch last night. Tomorrow night, and go Birds. All right, rock on.